very rapidly across the states. Derek O'Brien joining us now, the TMC MP, to tell us Kolkata. Derek O'Brien, your Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee just had a press conference a few hours ago saying she wants religious places of worship to be opened up from the 1st of June and all offices to be fully opened from the 8th. What is the philosophy of the government in Bengal? Do you really want to open up Kolkata at a stage like this?
Yes, we from day one have never been in favor of a complete lockdown. Even when this was announced on the 24th of March, we always said partial lockdown. So otherwise you cannot have a lockdown and throw away the key. So in that spirit, from the 8th of June, offices, yes, listen, the basic message from the Chief Minister today was, please take all the precautions, take all the measures to prevent corona, but life has to go on. We have to now live with corona, not be silly and stupid about it. Take abundant caution, but we have to move on. Because in any case, Bengal have done so well so far that we've got the percentage, the testing numbers are good, approaching 10,000. The conversion of positive cases to tested is about 2.5. That's a good number. We've tested almost 2 lakh cases. But at the same time, these trains are coming back, and that's pressure. So if the trains are coming back and you're having 2,000 or 1,800 people in a train packed in for 48 hours, then what are we talking about? So that's why we're going for it. And Mamata Banerjee from day one has always said we'll follow all the guidelines of the center. But yes, we've always...
So how are you going to ensure, the question I asked the Karnataka minister as well, how are you going to ensure social distancing once, say, places of worship open up in Kolkata fully from the 1st, or as you are saying, offices open up from the 8th of June? How are you going to ensure that there is a safety protocol?
Mr. Sardesai, I must correct you. No place of worship is fully opening up on 1st of June. That's misreporting.
Okay.
The places of worship, there's the places of worship are open. We are following the rules, no assembly, 10 people at a time, maintaining the rules of social distancing, the mandir, the masjid, the gurdwara and the church, 10 people at a time. So you're not having a 200 congregation or a 300 congregation. Made very, very clear, it's 10 people at a time.
Okay.
By the way, the tea industry, the jute industry, we started opening up 10%, 25%, 50%. Now it'll be 100% open. The offices, yes, the transport was already opened with 20 people in a bus. Now we're going to up that. So we have never been in favor of a complete lockdown. And plus...
So you want public transport open? What about the metro services in Kolkata? Will you open that? Will you open up buses?
We haven't yet. Buses have already been opened. No,
to a much larger degree.
Please understand, Mr. Sardesai, not only is lockdown 5, Bengal has to also contend with Cyclone Amphan 9. Today's day 9. Please think about it. The state government got across today 6,300 crores into people's bank accounts. There's all this restoration had to be done in the last 7 days.
Okay.
So Bengal has to do that at the same time handle COVID. So it's a twin challenge for us, because none of you guys want to talk about, a few of you want to talk about the Amphan cyclone. It's the worst thing we've had.
Sir, I have done a series of programs on Amphan, so that's not a charge you can make. But very quickly at the end,
Okay. We'll make you an honorary Bengali.
Okay, I am an honorary Bengali. Let me leave it there, Derek O'Brien. You are saying that Bengal wants to gradually open up, is committed to the philosophy of opening up, and that's the direction in which Bengal will move in the days and weeks ahead. Appreciate your joining us, Derek O'Brien there of the Trinamool Congress, its Rajya Sabha leader.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.